The great and the fascinating advancement that is about to come globally is the move towards mitigating the emission of harmful gases or greenhouse gases. In the 12th December 2015, most of the developed and developing countries signed the Paris Agreement. The agreement was signed by 195 countries behind the common cause of undertaking ambitious action to tackle the climate change and the essential for achieving sustainable development goals and making progress toward maintaining the increase in the global temperature. As you could know, the human activities are estimated to cause approximately 1 degree of the global warming. Such activities include burning of petrol and diesel in car engine or in the industries, which releases exhaust fumes, which in return increases the atmospheric concentration of carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and chlorofluorocarbons. So these gases are referred to as greenhouse gases because of their warming influence on the climate. An increase in the concentration of such gases will harm the planet and change the climate, which in return could lead to flooding, drought, health, and economic consequences. That is why those gases need to be balanced. We need to absorb much more than we emit in the atmosphere. That is why there is need to move from petrol and diesel to alternative fuels, which are renewable, which also have low vehicle emission, relatively low cost, domestic availability, and convenient on-site usage. So these alternative fuels include hydropower, which is known as traditional renewable energy source. It comes from a process of circulating water flow and it is drawn from a higher to lower land surface. Hydropower has been providing clean, safer, inexpensive renewable energy source. We also have wind energy. Wind energy is a promising source of renewable energy which can be captured from the wind due to the atmospheric pressure gradient by means of wind converting energy machinery. Wind energy is highly dependent on the local average wind. We also have the solar energy. The primary source of clean, abundant energy is the sun. Every day, the sun radiates an enormous amount of heat or energy called the solar energy. This energy is produced when the radiant energy from the sun strikes the solar cell, causing electrons to move around. The action of electrons starts on an electric current. We also have the biomass. It's an organic material made from the plant and animals. Biomass is produced from green plant in which the energy of the sunlight is stored in chemical bond during photosynthesis. It is also renewable energy because we can grow more trees and crops. Also, ethanol and biodiesel are made from biomass material because ethanol is an alcoholic fuel made from sugars found in grains. Also, biodiesel is a fuel made with vegetable oils and fat.